What's up guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I get Pokemon Go joystick, auto walk and more spoofer settings. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website and type in search Pokemon Go and you will find the online tool. Click there guys, and now we must enter our Pokemon Go trainer code. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here and you will find instruction how to do it. So let me paste my here. Okay, connect account, and let's see the next step. Okay, user phone. So the next step is select our spoofer package. So I'll go with the full edition Jack spoofer, and let's see the next step. This is working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices, and believe me, this is the best working method for Pokemon Go spoofer. Okay, now just scroll down and click verify now, and let's see the next step. Imported guys, we have this message, so maybe you will get anti-bot verification step. Just follow instruction, complete 2 tasks, and you will get this message. When you get this message, just open your Pokemon Go and let's test. Look at this guys, we have this little star. So let me show you how to use it. And look at this guys, we have a little joystick here. So just click here on this little star and boom, all features have been added successfully. We have a little joystick. Boom, look at this, how fast I go guys. This is amazing. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.